Welcome to our final reveal of our addition and master bath project here in Oakton, Virginia. Let's go take a look. What we did here is a pop-up addition as well as a master bath renovation, enlarging the master bath and also reconfiguring the upstairs and adding a couple bedrooms. So let's go take a look. All right, here we go, making our way into the master bedroom. The master bedroom was here to begin. We made a couple changes. We added this big, large double window over here on the side of the house. There used to be another window on this back wall here behind the bed. We enclosed that window. Actually, if you look at it from the outside, it's still a window. However, we enclosed it so you don't see through to the inside. Enclosed that so we can move the bed on this wall here. Brought in new daylight with the window, the double window on the side, and created this whole new master bath that is probably 4 times the size of the existing master bath to be able to give the homeowners the bathroom that they dreamed of. So here we come into the master bathroom. One of the key features is this new enlarged walk-in shower. This shower is probably almost as big as the old master bath. And I know that's one of the things that they actually love about this new bathroom is to have this nice big walk-in shower. We got the marble water jet decorative tile as an accent wall here. And on the inside of this knee wall here, this knee wall's as high as it is because we have a niche on the inside here. The back of the niche has the same water jet tile to kind of tie the two together. As we continue on into the bathroom, you can see we got the double sinks with drawers in the middle. Allows plenty of countertop space for both husband and wife to be able to utilize the bathroom at the same time. We have this nice linen cabinet here to store bathroom materials, towels, accessories, other things that they need to keep in the bathroom. Large beveled edge mirror glued to the wall with mirror mastic. As you can see, we also put a quad outlet cut into the mirror with a mirrored cover plate. We need the outlet by code with the dual sinks. Kind of a nice way to blend it in with the mirror. Here we got the freestanding tub right in front of the window. Freestanding tubs pretty much are what we're doing all the time nowadays. We still do some drop-in tubs and some tubs with some platforms and stuff, but due to size constraints and things of that nature, freestanding tubs allow the homeowners to still have a tub but not take up as much space. Freestanding tub filler with a hand sprayer as well. Hand sprayer is very nice for cleaning. Being able to clean all areas of the tub, the hand sprayer comes in handy. So that's a nice little feature there as well. And then over here we created an individual water closet. So ultimately it's in its own area of the bathroom. Obviously has a door, gives a little bit of privacy, and also kind of just hides the toilet back away. And here in the hallway we created a linen closet here. Obviously pretty much standard, and second floor have a linen closet somewhere to be able to house extra towel sheets, things of that nature. One of the real nice things here in the hallway to open things up is we got this little reading nook here. Existing window, created a reading nook here. They can utilize it as a quiet space, somewhere to sit and read, a space for their son to do homework or anything like that. So real nice space here in the upstairs hallway. And then as we come over here, these 2 bedrooms on this side are actually the bedrooms that are in the new addition. This used to be a roof line that we took down, built above the living room down below, and got 2 new bedrooms up here. So this one here is a legal bedroom. However, they're utilizing it as an office space for them from when they work from home. We have an egress window. We have a closet on this wall here. Ultimately, space for what could be a bedroom being utilized as an office as of right now. And if we come over to the other bedroom, same thing. We got an egress window, another small window above the garage roof line, just to bring in more natural light. That was one of the big things they wanted to get more natural light to the upstairs. So bringing in nice natural light into the bedroom. A nice big closet over here with double bypass doors to give him enough closet space. And yeah, so this is the second bedroom that was in the addition. Here's what is now the guest room. This was an existing bedroom in the existing floor plan of the house. Not a huge amount changed here. However, we did add this closet. We did change the doorway, but we do have the closet here. We finished all the floors on the whole upstairs. Same thing, egress window, another legal bedroom. So they achieved getting more bedrooms. Obviously it helps for their daily life, but also in resale in the future whenever that time would come. I hope you guys like this final reveal of this project here in Oakton, Virginia. If you're looking to do any sort of remodeling work in the future, feel free to reach out to us on our website, follow us on our social media, or give us a phone call.